Tonight on Bat Mac Mini.
It's sure a shame, Batman. A restaurant with such terrific chow turning out to be a mere front for some criminal scheme.
Look at it this way, Robin. That $100 cover charge is pretty stiff. Penguin's terrific chow is hardly within the budget of the average worker.
Gosh, yes, you're right, Batman. All the needy people in the world, the hungry children.
Is a little push.
Is this the end of our Cape Crusaders? Stay tuned. This episode of Bat Mac Mini is brought to you by Zerra Forge GEN 2.
Hey guys, it's Lance at Mac Sound Solutions. And today, well, you saw what I did. Pushed Batman right off the roof of the Mac Mini tower. Oh yes, I did. And I'll do it again. So, you might like to get one of these cases for your Mac Mini. I think they're lovely. And if you let Batman climb up it, you might be able to push him off as well. Yes. Link in the description.
Bat sticker and Bat Lego Batman not included.